Hi, Martin Boeddeker here from FindFocus, and in this video I will show you how to get the best Kartra bonus and to secure a 50% discount on Kartra. Today is my birthday and I've just put together an amazing Kartra bonus for you, and I will prove it to you in this video that it's the absolute best bonus that you can get online. So let's dive just into this video. As you can see, it's the 14th of February and I just published this blog post. The blog post will explain everything more in detail. I've been using Kartra to host my Pareto summit. I've used Kartra to generate more than $10,000 in sales so far, but this is not what this video is about. This is about how to get the absolute best bonus for Kartra to take advantage of this amazing system. A couple of days ago, I published this blog post about the hidden costs in Kartra, and I've also created a companion video that will go along with this, so make sure to check that out as well. I told you that I will prove that I will have the best Kartra bonus for you, so let's do a quick search and see what we come up with, what the other guys are offering online, because I'm so confident that my bonus will be so much better than everything else that you can get if you decide to sign up with Kartra. So I will open all the pages here and then see what these guys come up with, and then show you why my bonus is so much better than everything that you can find online. So I will just open everything for you and then see what these guys come up with, and I will leave my comments and maybe we'll find something that's better than my bonus, but I honestly do not believe it at all. So have a look here, our welcome pop-up, and here you will get the tier 5 mega bundle, which is pretty decent software. I know John, I interviewed him from my Pareto summit, who's the founder of tier 5, and this is basically white label rights to his software. If I get to a certain point, I might do something like this as well, but right now I do not offer this. But what I found and why I decided not to offer this is with Kartra you do not need all of this software. There's some like sticky reviews is quite nice, but you do not need any of this. So that's why this is practically worthless. And then you just get like a nice list of affiliate programs. Like this is white label rights, probably a JV Zoo product or something you can find really cheap somewhere online, and then some ad copy file, swipe file, white label rights. You can find this somewhere else pretty cheap, and same with Group Convert, which is just a Chrome extension for if you want to run a Facebook group. So not really valuable here, and it will more distract you than anything else.
Hi everybody.
Then here we have another guy. Let's see it. Let's have a look at his bonuses. Like he claims like $5,000 in bonuses, so you will find a lot of inflated value claims, and I put a lot of high value in my bonus as well, but not like this. So you get some done for you funnels, which will probably not match your niche. I would recommend you stick with the done for you funnels that come from Kartra directly if you want to use this. But otherwise, it's really easy to build your own funnels in Kartra, and this is what I typically would recommend if you're not doing something super complicated like my summit funnel. But some training. I do not know how good this is, but he does not offer any information here, no testimonials at all. So I do not know how good this is, but this seems a little bit sketchy to me. Then next guy here, let's see what he offers. He does not offer anything. Like I think I've seen no bonuses, so he just recommends to use Kartra, which is an amazing software, but it goes directly to the homepage, so no bonuses from this guy. And then here is That Cool Apps, and let's see what he comes up with. And he 2-week access to Kartra. I will show you how to get 30 days access, and you get a done for you funnel. And we have no idea what this is. Maybe we find out if we watch the video, but does not seem really valuable to me either. And then here, John reviews, and this is from, even the layout of this page puts me off, and like here does a whole long review here, and then here's the bonus page for this guy's bonuses. Looks pretty sketchy as well. Like, seems like he's a lot of into JVZoo products and got white label rights to this kind of products as well. But what I found out, this is, if you want to build a business online, this will more distract you than anything else. So it will even do harm to your business to get this kind of products, because you will waste so much time there. And I've bought my fair share of this product as well, and I have a whole hard drive of this product, and I never even look at them. So I would recommend you stick away from this kind of bonuses. Then here's the next guy, Chris Digital, and he says like he does not even offer like tier 5. He offered this in the past, it seems, but he stopped being member of John's partnership program, so you will not get this anymore. And then he just offers some swipe files and group convert, which you can get much cheaper. And I tell you, like, what I have in stock for you is so much better. Then here's pretty sketchy. I wonder how this page is actually rank in Google, because it's really nice design, but if you scroll to the bottom of this page, you see like every page here is the same, so it's not really not really something to trust, and I do not even know if they are offering bonuses. I did not see it on the first page, so we can quickly dismiss this as well. And then here's this guy, John Whitford. I landed up somewhere in his university somehow, and there's no summary of his bonuses, but I think he offers some teaching you how to use Kartra and build funnels and stuff like this as well. So I think it's pretty decent content, but nothing that really blows me away either. And then there's one more, Today Testing, seems like a review site, so it's not something that you want to look out for is if these guys are actually using Kartra like I do. And most of them do not. They just are a member of their affiliate program, try to optimize their websites for search and for Google, basically. And then they offer like 1 or 2 membership sites. So at least you get done for you funnels here with this bonus. But you do not know if you really need them, and they then you get some other stuff here as well. And if I look here, this is something that would put me off, because he's offering Marketing Secrets Blackboard, which is actually a lead magnet for Russell Brunson. So not really something that I personally would trust either, if I'm completely honest. So this another review. So let's have a look at the bonus section. Kartra bonuses. Here a landing page conversion course. You can probably learn much more if you just look at what other people are doing than from any other course. But seems like creating offers, videos, might be some good content. I cannot tell you how this works, and a full offer like in 30 to 60 minutes. I can tell you, like, putting together my offer for Kartra, if you sign up, took me way longer than 30 to 60 minutes. And this is really screams for get quick rich something, and this is not something that I found out works online. So you want to stay away from this type of offers as well. Like if you sign up for Kartra with my affiliate link, then you will get something much more in-depth. And what you will find, it's much more important to focus on speed of implementation, and this is where Kartra really shines. So just have a look at what I offer and what I did with the Pareto Summit, because if we have a look here, what I offer to you is you will get access to all the interviews from the Pareto Summit. As you can see here, I've built this in Kartra. I hosted my whole summit on Kartra. And I will just give you a short overview here. Like this will take us directly to the sales page. And yeah, like here you see one of the power of Kartra, which is it will directly redirect and close everything from me, and it will just go to the sales page because I'm not tagged anymore. So that means you can get access to the free ebook that you will be offered as a bonus as well. And you get access to all the interviews from the summit. And this is I'm selling currently this for, let's check, for $500 almost, plus sales tax here in Germany if you're from Europe. So this is what you get as a bonus from me. So you see I'm actually selling this. And I had a testimonial from John Lee Dumas himself. Here from Mike Filsaime you find something. And then this is something that you will see as well. And you get access to all of these interviews, like just one interview with Perry Marshall, like who's one of the highest paid consultants in the world. Like Mike Koenigs, he consults for Tony Robbins, tells him how to do his marketing. And Jim Edwards, you might know from ClickFunnels, from Funnel Scripts, amazing software, something that I use. Spencer Meeking, one of the most successful or the most successful affiliate for ClickFunnels. And then, high ticket affiliate marketing, so many things that you can learn. Mike Filsaime, who is the co-founder or who was the co-founder of Kartra, I interviewed him. And AJ Roberts, who's in charge of Kartra right now. Like if you want to use Kartra, you just have to look at what AJ Roberts told me. Like this was one of my favorite interviews. He will tell you why Kartra is such an amazing software and how to orchestrate that people want to buy from you, how to build a community, how to make people endorse you. And this is all that you will learn in this summit. So I highly recommend that you sign up with my affiliate link. And now I will show you exactly how this looks like when I go back to my bonus page. As I said, it's my birthday, and that's why I'm putting together this amazing bonus package. Like I've created, like this is just a dummy video. I will insert this video later, but I've hosted the Pareto Summit, which was one of the best marketing events ever. I'm constantly adding more video interviews to this vault, but you will get unlimited access if you sign up for Kartra with my affiliate link. You get everything as MP3 and you get all the transcripts, and this will cover everything that you saw in all the other bonuses in a much more detailed and in-depth way, because with many of these authors and with these entrepreneurs, we created step-by-step action plans that you can use in your business. And what some people said about me, like for example this guy from my Facebook group, he said, like, I've invested over 100 grand in my education, formal and informal. Just after three speakers, he got more value out of this than 100 grand that he had paid for his education. And some other more comments here. And basically, I agree with what Mike Filsaime told me. Like, he promoted this course for me, and this is a screenshot I sent him of all the sales I made in Kartra, and he told me, like, glad to help you, and this is a great product that people need to see, because there's so much misconceptions out there in the world of online marketing, and I just wanted to take a step against this without all the hype. So that's why I want to get this into as many hands as possible, and that's why I'm offering this as a Kartra bonus. What I really like about Kartra is that about 10% of all the affiliates make a full-time income from just promoting Kartra, which is amazing. Like Jennifer Daniels shared this statistic with me, and I was literally blown away, and you will get this as a bonus as well. Then I've created a guide, the Pareto Summit resources. So I had a look at all the interviews and gathered all the resources, all the books, all the equipment that I'm using, and put this into like one guide. You can just follow what some of the best world experts recommended and just implement it. Getting up to speed is probably the biggest advantage that Kartra has. Then as a bonus, if you want to sign up for Kartra with my affiliate link, you will get exclusive access to my mastermind community on Facebook. And what I'm really doing this, I do not know how long I will offer this, but I will give you an exclusive strategy call with me. And this is something that I pressure my time, and I treasure my time. And this is something that, but I really like to help people who are just getting started like I'm doing. Like $10,000 might seem like a lot in sales, but it's just the starting point for me. So this is the bonus that you're getting with your Kartra trial. And yeah, just follow the steps. And I told you about the 50% discount in the beginning of the video. And this is something that is really important. I've created a short summary here, what you would need to do. And we can just go to, I can just actually go and use the link here, which is from my blog post. And then we will go to Kartra, and then you can start your trial. And this is how you claim your bonus. Like, it just takes a moment to load, and then you can just claim your Kartra. I will just use my name that Martin at findfocus.net, and then you type in your name, or maybe it's even pre-filled if Kartra has already you cookied, and then you see all the pricing plans. Make sure that you watch the video that I created about that. And then you can save annual. But what's most important, if you want to save 50% in your first month of Kartra, you need to wait for the exit pop-up, and then you need to click yes, double my trial. This is not available on the official Kartra homepage. This is only available if you go to the homepage via my affiliate link. So you would need to double your trial, and then you would have like here this 30 days, and then you would continue. So this will sign you up for the Kartra Silver plan, but you can change the settings within your Kartra account later on. So that's how you would need to set up your Kartra account, and then you can contact the support, or if you want to have like the starter package, then you can do downgrade within your account. But this will give you 16 extra days of Kartra, so you can have everything up and running right from the get-go. So this is really what this is about, and this is how to secure a 50% discount in your first month of Kartra, because you do not have to pay for an extra 16 days. So this is something that I just wanted to show you at the end of this video. So make sure you sign up for Kartra. Check out my blog post that I've made. I've created this guide here, and this is all it takes. And then you'll be part of my community, and I will teach you and answer all of your questions inside the community that you will have access to. And I'm really looking forward to helping you succeed. Have a great day.